Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert letter size PDF to legal size PDF using PDF element. Now I'll select this PDF size, select file option, now select properties option, select file option, select properties, and this is the letter size page, this page size. Now select close and select a page organize option and select page size option and fixed box here. Scroll up. Here you will find this legal option and simply legal, and now you can convert a specific page or all page. Now simply select apply and see this. All of this page now converted to legal size. And select again file option, select properties. This is a legal size page. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.